Hey guys, welcome back to this new video channel tutorial with OSP Pro. And this video channel actually today, this is going to be for MySQL mainly. We are going to see how can we join columns in a database. Now here I'm going to just show you. I just make sure MySQL is running just like that. So I'm just going this is my command. Guys, don't forget, if at all you missed my MySQL programming video, the first ones, I encourage you please go and watch them, especially where I happen to explain these codes down. I encourage you please guys, when it is your first time, make sure you go and you watch my video. So make sure guys you just happen to watch these codes and explain the way I explained to you guys in the previous videos. Go and watch that video of mine. Now here mainly I'm going to just use a database. I'm going to show all the databases present. Then we happen to pick one of the database, then we shall be using it. So that is it so far. You can see those are the databases you're having. I'm going to just use the test. Let us just use database called test in this case. Now inside test, let us just see how many tables we have, or at least tables inside within that database. We have 2 tables. Now I'm going to just happen to use only one table within there. So I'm just going to say select. Let us select everything from Josh, which is our table name here in this case. And if you try to see so far, we have such kind of information within our table on our database. Now my point is this: how can we join the table? How can we join the column first name and last name to be one? Give them a unique name, like maybe student's name. You get? We have the ID, we have the first name, last name, and then the course. So let us see. I'm going to show in mainly at this moment how can we join the first name and last name and make it as one independent column. So what you're going to do, you're going to just step one on select, and you're going to write one on concat. You open up. Now after open up, you write the word first name, give a space and single quotes like that. Happen to close it. Now what's the last one is last name. So that's what so far we have, guys. So you are setting first name and last name to be having one unique name, which is going to be for that particular column, and I'm just going to call it one as student names. I can just call student name or student name, student name. So you are saying you're going to pick the column for first name and last name, and you're giving it one unique name called student name, and I'm going to say as name. Then what's the table name? The table name is called Josh, so it's going to be from Josh. Oh, let us just check where is that error coming from. Select, get. Wow, the problem is in select. Sorry guys, sorry for that. So just come and try to to correct this statement, which I happen to write here down, which is called correct. And if I happen to click here down, guys, I think you can just see right now how this stuff is all about. So that's how you can pick the first column and the second column and you join them. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to OSP channel. That's the only way I want you guys to support me out. Make sure you surprise me by you subscribing down, and I'm waiting guys to see your comment there below. Don't forget to share this video to your other classmates, your friends. Please don't forget, even on your platform of Facebook, please make sure you support OSP. Thank you very much.